By the way, I did this whole unit for under $8,500. So you can redo a house for under $10,000. We're walking you guys through the 1 week reno. I finished this whole project in 6 short days. You guys can see, got a brand new lock set. It all starts with a nice lock set. We have, we've cleaned and painted everything. We've got fresh subfloors, brand new 12 by 24 porcelain tile. They're a beautiful look. When we get them cleaned a little bit nicer, they're just gonna pop. We put in things like, you can see, brand new closet door, new benches. There's a ranch wood shelf there inside of the foyer closet. I'm gonna take you guys now into the living room, dining room, kitchen space. Some things we did in this unit. Specifically, we've got new floors put in. I know they need to be cleaned one more time for you guys to really see the texture of the hardwood grain. It's a very nice, cheap, affordable laminate hardwood. I like laminate because it's affordable, it's easy to install, and if you have a good commercial grade style laminate, it'll really last. And as long as it's not in your wet areas, it'll do really well with traffic. Things we added, we opened this space up and allowed the light to flow between the kitchen and the living area. The style for this space would be to have a TV mounted on the wall here, a sectional, couple couches here in front of a beautiful bay window. We have our sectional couches looking at our wall-mounted TV. We're gonna have a couple of bar stools underneath the new island we installed. You'd have a beautiful dining room table right about here. So you get your dining room, your living, and your kitchen all together. That's something that renters and tenants really prefer and homeowners really are willing to pay a premium for. As you notice, we've changed the color of the whole space. We've added in a more neutral color tone. It's a blue-gray color. I really like it. I standardize and pick 2 colors always. We did some nice upgrades to the trim. We added some quarter round trim to the trim. Upgrade all the electrical. Come on and take a look at the kitchen. We've opened up in here through the wall, another peek through to let that light really come in. I'd love for you guys to see inside here some of the things that we did. There are things you can't see, like the cold air return that was here before that's now in the floor down here. Or take a look at, we've added a dishwasher to our unit. We've got premium thick 1.5-inch quartz counters with a beautiful undermount sink. At the floor you see, again, the porcelain tile, 12 by 24 with the marble style texture. I really like this. It turns out really, really nice. Again, on this side we've got the island coming through. It's a 24-inch island, so we have 2 benches underneath on both sides. Beautiful, premium. We have put in new light fixtures, again, new appliances. We've got a new fridge, a beautiful stove, an amazing built-in dishwasher, new cabinetry. Once we get the backsplash, I'm going to put a Subway style backsplash on here. It's really going to pop with the Subway backsplash. Like I said, we're about 90% done this renovation, so you guys can get a feel for what I would show my tenants when I'm walking them through a space. So beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances. I really love stainless steel. I think it's one of the key sellers. Quartz, stainless steel, spend some money on a nice floor. That's where you're gonna sell for premium rents. That's where you're gonna get premium from a buyer as well. So when it comes time to sell or bring in an appraiser, these are key pieces that I will stop and help them reflect on. You guys are noticing that the single hole pull-out faucet hasn't been installed yet. The plumber will be here tomorrow, so that's one thing that's still missing as well. I'm gonna walk you guys through. We actually found this closet. It was a small little broom closet, and we were able to, I hit my hammer through the wall and we discovered there was this void of space that we were able to take advantage of. And so by moving over the wall, we actually captured a little bit of the dining room space. But the key piece being that by making this walk-in pantry with sliding barn door, huge accent piece. Very, very cool. People love, every time I show this unit, everyone loves the smooth, slick barn sliding door. We carried in the same tile. We used the same tile in the foyer as the kitchen, as the bath, as again the laundry room. Here's the laundry hookups. We've got everything ready to go. I'm bringing in stackable washer and dryer front load for both. We added in some electrical, some Decora light switches, things like that. Beautiful ranch wood, rustic shelving in the pantry. And we took advantage of little things like, there was a chimney goes through here. We had to frame around that. The chimney's about this. We had to frame around significantly and insulate that. But we could have just went straight across with our drywall and our framing. But I decided to take that extra foot of space back there for jars and knickknacks. And that's something that a tenant really appreciates, that attention to detail. That's really, really key. Come on guys, I'll take you down the unit. Again, nice floors. The laminates continued all the way throughout, one even cohesive space. When you carry a floor out such a long amount of space, it makes it feel bigger, it makes it feel brighter. Bright colors, neutral colors really helps. Come take a look at the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. All the doors and hardware you'll notice as well has been updated. Very, very beautiful tile. Take a look at that transition piece too. Nice wood. Beautiful new vanity we installed. Picked it up for $80. Repurposed the toilet. You can come over and take a look at the toilet and see that we repurposed it with a new toilet seat to keep our costs down. And we sprayed the bath. We sprayed the bathtub there with an enamel, and we're able to repurpose. It was a blue color before, so we're able to repurpose that. So we're gonna focus on the tile here. Take a look there at the beautiful tile. Come on out. We've got a 3-bedroom unit here. So this is unit room number 1. As you can see, we've got nice painted closets. They are, I like the 6-panel door. It looks nice. There's a closet back in there full of some stuff. We've got the casement style windows. They look very nice. And again, place things like registers when we're doing a unit. That's something that really looks good, and people like that. It's like, $5 to put a new register in, but it makes the thing pop. Again, we got another room. This is room number 2. This room's nice because it's got, again, the floors continued in, neutral paint colors, updated light fixtures. Nice bonus is it has a double door closet across the whole wall. So you've got a his and hers across the whole wall, whole space, which is beautiful. We added these doors in. They had this with a, been covered by a cloth drapery, so it looked very unprofessional. These nice painted doors, they pop, they really add to the space. And then we have the master bedroom over here, which is the 3rd bedroom in the unit. And what we have here is the master bedroom. This is the largest of the rooms. It's got a nice sized closet there. We did all neutral paint tones and colors, new casement windows as well. We went with, again, the upgraded trim we added in here. And we did all of this, like I say, in 5.5 days. We rebuilt this entire house, new subfloor. I'm talking down to the studs, plywood on the floors, create a nice solid substrate that we can lay the tile onto. This was done in 5.5 days, so you can flip a house in a week if you want to. You have the right crew. I had at points 6, 7 guys in here, all with different jobs, and trying to manage all that at once. It can be difficult. It can be a challenge, but I want you to get a shot right here in the bathroom. It's transformational. On your way by, make sure you pop your head in there. With those floors, beautiful, eh? Wow. Turned out really well. And again, for a few $100s. And oh Mike, this probably cost you, $20,000 to renovate this house. Put in the nice figures like a barn door and add in plumbing, electrical for laundry where laundry didn't exist before, and this and that. And I'll tell you something, I picked that dishwasher. Let's focus on the kitchen here for a minute. Take your camera over there. Come over to where I'm standing. Come through the breakfast bar and get a look at some of the appliances. So looking at this kitchen, we've got a beautiful, we're sitting right now on the breakfast bar, beautiful. A lot of people think you can't get a mint, quartz kitchen or a mint beautiful kitchen on the cheap. And I'm here to tell you, I picked up that stainless steel Maytag 300 Quiet Series dishwasher for $60 on Kijiji. That stove over there, I got that, it's self-cleaning, beautiful stainless. I picked that up for $200. And the fridge, again, beautiful stainless steel fridge, picked up for $250. All in, you can get a kitchen like this, brand new, refaced, solid wood, nice new pulls on the cabinets, things like that, for around $2,000. People spend $10,000, $15,000 on these DIY shows, and it can really be done much more affordably. Just wait till I get the Subway backsplash in there; it's gonna really pop. I'd love to get a view. You guys get a view of the floors there. It just really pops. Just a beautiful, beautiful kitchen overall. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed videos like this, seeing how I was able to build things like this beautiful quartz kitchen, everything in this unit in 5.5 days, let me know. Please, again, smash that like, share on your Instagram, Facebook, and social media, and please, please, please subscribe. The only thing I'm working on right now is the love of my viewers. So at the end of the day, it comes down to, if you guys are appreciating this type of content, if you want to see how I flip a unit in 5.5 days for a tenant and just make it top notch, let me know. I want to hear about it in the comments. What do you do differently? If you're curious, hey Mike, what did this cost you overall? By the way, I did this whole unit for under $8,500. So you can redo a house for under $10,000 sometimes. People spend 20, 30, 40,000 to accomplish the same look, the same feel. So that's something you can think about when you're learning to refinish a house. How do you pick up those frugal wins, and how do you manage all of that and get it done in such a tight time horizon? It is tough, but I've been able to do it, and I can show you guys how to do it too. It's just a matter of putting systems in place. So thanks guys for watching the video.